it's Hannah with WTI.
I recently painted our living room and dining room, and so I needed some new throw pillows to get all the colors wrapped in together and coordinated. This set by Note Pure is perfect. It has a beautiful pattern on it. You get 4 of these covers, so you don't get the inserts, but you get 4 covers. And I love the bohemian look, but I also love botanical stuff. So having all the different kinds of leaves and then the sun in the background, these are just really homey and really warm for our living room. They're indoor-outdoor cushions, so they also would work on a porch or a patio. They're 18 by 18 inches. I had no problem fitting 18 by 18 inserts in them. There was not a ton of extra room, but they also weren't overly stuffed, so the size was very accurate. And they all have a hidden zipper. So while you can find the zipper, obviously, it is a really well hidden zipper. This has been so easy to blend our living room and our dining room with the green walls in the living room, our blue couch, and our peachy orange walls in the dining room. These have been perfect.
And that's my point of view.